Power BI is an incredibly powerful tool that you can use within your environment and literally start it from a text file, convert that text file into a spreadsheet table, and away you go. So let's go ahead and take a look today. I have several videos on this topic, but today in this video, we're going to focus on how do I do this if I know nothing about Power BI and I really don't want to learn anything about it. How do I do this just as simple as possible, as automatically as possible? So stay tuned. We're going to jump through that easy way to use Power BI. So the first thing that you have to start with here is you're going to have to start with the data itself. So here in one of my videos, I talk about extracting the text file. And if you've already got that, great. If you haven't, then all you have to do is add a spreadsheet to a folder in OneDrive. Everybody can do that, right? Just drag the folder, drag the file, copy, and you're good to go. That's as simple as it is. And if the file is the same name, you can update that file at any time, and it will update all of your graphs. So I'm talking simple when we get this all set up for you. So let's create that, get inside there. The one thing that you need to be aware of is that the spreadsheet has to be configured or formatted as a table. Again, I have other videos on how to create and format an Excel spreadsheet as a table, but it's really easy. Let's say your spreadsheet does not look like what you're seeing here with these drop downs here. This is a table format that you're viewing. So this is mock data from a university. So I've just highlighted all the data. Let's pretend that mine is not formatted as a table. I would just highlight all of my information. I'd go here, format as a table, bada bing, and then it would ask me, is there a first row? Now I'm probably confusing the heck out of it, but is there a first row to it? And you'll say yes, and then bada bing, it'll do it as a table for you. So I'm not going to save that, by the way. So here we have this data. Easy. So far, pretty easy. Now all we have to do is connect this data. So to do that, we're going to go down here to Power BI. We're going to open it up. And here, we're just going to go down to this arrow. And we're going to say, connect, get my data and files. So right here, under Files, OneDrive. And then we're going to find where the directory is. That's pretty easy so far, right? We're going to click on it. We're going to click on this. We're going to say connect. I'm going to say import. That's the one I usually use. So we're just going to do it that way. And boom, there it is. Now it's come back in. Now I have mine in a lineage view. I'm going to go back to list. I'm just going to click on Datasets. And then there it is right there. It just came in. I'm going to delete this one because I already have one in there and I don't want to mess it up. So here we have, so now pretend like you didn't see that other one. Here you have the data. So we're good to go. So now how do we create a report? It's nice that we have the data, but we had that already in a spreadsheet. Look at this. This is pretty magical. I'm just getting goosebumps thinking about it. Create report, auto create. We're going to give it just a minute. Boom. It's already done. So you can see here, it's taking our data over here and it's auto created. Now these may not be the reports that you want, but it's a good starting place. So let's just go ahead and save this. And we're just going to call it mock report auto. Okay. And let's go ahead and take that off there. Okay. And then we're going to hit save. We're going to save it to our workspace. So we're just going to hit save. And all of these counters, these graphs, everything automatically included in this auto report feature. Now the report is saved. Pretty easy. If I want to find it easy, I'm going to click it there, add it to my favorites. Notice there, we're good to go. Let's go back to my desktop. Wow, look at that. It's right there. Mock report auto. Click on it. Now you've got the report. So here, I want to see what that's related to. It's going to work on it. There it is right there. I've got 2 programs, abbreviations, blah, blah, blah. There's all the data. Now, you're going to have to play with this data and adjust it as you want. But here, look at that. You can actually personalize and customize this visual. So let's say that you don't want to use that. You want to use a pie chart. Let's see what it does to it. Look at that. We're going to close it. We're going to leave it just like that. That was one quick change. We're going to hit save. Okay, and then we're going to close back out. We're going to go back out as though we're exiting and watch what happens. It's going to automatically be there. We're going to go back out, Power BI, mock report right there. We're going to click on it, and there it is. So we can customize this report once it's in there. We can do all kinds of customization. We can change it. We can edit the report if we like. We can just hit here and do those type of things. It's very, very simple. If we want to just downright edit it and learn more about it, we can switch and do this, and everything works great. We can change this data, do whatever we want. So you can get as detailed or as lightweight as you want. We're just going to go back to it again, run it real quick. It's magic, isn't it? It's really pretty magical. So you can create these nice looking reports and dashboards, publish them, share them through Teams, and share them through other mediums, quick and easy. View other videos on Power BI or other ways that you can use Power BI in your daily work.